This is a video showing how to use categories in WordPress. Categories are a really necessary function for if you want to organize your posts and pages and links and everything. Right now, categories are most applicable to posts. So what a category does is it helps you not only organize your information, but it also helps you display the information to the people who are visiting your site. So, say you have your testimonial category, and that can be made for a specific testimonial page that you want to put on your website. And that way you can just display posts that are only tagged with testimonials. You won't include anything else if you don't want to. Categories are really easy to make if you want to make a new one. You just enter in what the category is. That's the name. That can be, normal formatting. The slug is made for SEO and also actually making the links for your website. You don't want to put any spaces in there. You don't want to put any caps in there. The only symbols you want to use is that. You only want to use a hyphen. So you would do blog hyphen posts. No caps, no symbols, or no caps, no spaces, and no symbols other than a hyphen. You can put numbers in there if you want. It's perfectly fine. And then the parent is just, if you want to create this as a subcategory, then you select what the parent category is. And if you want to describe it, that would always be a plus. That's how you make a new category. It's pretty easy to do. Now, actually applying the category to a post, you want to go and edit the post, and then over here you're going to see all the categories. And so let's say this is a current project. You just want to select categories and then select current project out of it, select unselect uncategorized, and then just save it. Make sure to always save after you do anything major. And selecting that is going to put it in a box, with all the other current projects that you have going on, so you can display those all at once using a function that outputs specific blog post categories, which I can actually show you how to do right now. You can do that on a page. So what you want to do is click Add New for a page. What you're going to do is set it up as a blog page. And when you set it up as a blog page, what it's going to do is open up this little thing down here. You can select whether you want it to be full width. What that's going to do is remove the sidebar on the side of your blog page. You generally don't want to do that because the sidebar has some really useful information in it. Blog style mode just is saying how the blog posts are going to show up on your page. And then hide auto thumbnail is each post you make should have a featured image or a first image on it, and this automatically pulls a thumbnail from that and will put it next to the descriptor. The number of posts per page is just on that page how many of the recent posts you want to have, and then you select what categories you want to be on that page. So if you want it to be just current projects, you select that. You enter your title, which could probably be current projects, fitting name, and then you don't need to type anything in here. And then you just save it, publish it, do whatever you will, and then it's just going to show up correctly.